Everything regarding to S25 Ultra is finally here. You don't have to wait till the official launch event to know all the specs of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The official teasers of S25 series has also surfaced online, so we have seen the official renders, leaked videos and whatnot till now for the S25 Ultra. Even we have seen the leaked specs, but today I am gonna compile all in one. So starting with the design of S25 Ultra, you know that Samsung has upgraded the design a little bit by making all the corners of phone more rounded, unlike the previous Samsung flagships. The official renders of S25 Plus and S25 Ultra are here in blue titanium. As you can see, it looks really cool. Other than that, this year's Galaxy S25 Ultra will also be lighter and thinner in design and also with very thinner bezels as compared to the S24 Ultra. Ice Universe says that Galaxy S25 Ultra will exclusively use the more powerful second generation Corning Gorilla Glass with anti-reflective properties. As for the display, it will be a 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x LTPO screen with 120Hz refresh rate and 2600 nit peak brightness with HDR10 Plus support. Now for the specs, the main highlight is obviously going to be the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset from Qualcomm. Till the S24 series, the international variants always had Exynos chips, but Samsung users demanded for Qualcomm. Now it's finally happening. This year we will see S25 Ultra with Qualcomm chipsets internationally. As for the cameras on the rear side, there will be total of 4 cameras which include 200 megapixel main sensor, a 10 megapixel 3x lens, a 50 megapixel 5x lens and a brand new JN3 ultra wide angle lens and a supporting sensor. Among all these, only ultra wide is the new, rest are all same. One UI 7 is something we can't miss in this video. This would be the biggest UI upgrade for upcoming Galaxy devices. In fact, the beta has already been rolling out and people are using it, and the feedback and reviews have been great so far. Samsung S25 series will be coming with One UI 7 out of the box. There will be a lot of exciting features and design changes in One UI 7, pretty similar to the iOS 18. As for the battery, we might see a little bit higher milliamps as compared to the S24 Ultra's battery, and there will be 45 watts of fast wired charging and 25 watts of wireless charging. Launch date is set for 22nd January, not so far from now. That's all for the Samsung S25 Ultra. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.